Hi guys, I bought ZTE Axon 7 unlocked phone. It's a 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal memory. I bought it from Best Buy. It's a very good deal, or it's a $350 it's an unlocked phone, and this is released in 2016 April. And it's very good in design. It's very slim. So I received this box today and then I'm opening up. So this is the deal. I bought it during Thanksgiving. So you see it's a very slim, and the battery is inbuilt in it. So you can see the phone, and here is the camera. The back side camera is 20 megapixel and front side is 8 megapixel. So I'm just open up the phone, and next thing is, let me see the box further. So here is the USB cable for this phone, and here is the headphone. I thought just a USB cable, but there's a headphone with all the options. You see it here, and then there is a charger for this phone, along with the headphone. And you see the phone, USB cable, and then headphone and charger. And here's the instruction how to use it. So these are the instructions, and here how I think this should be used to open up the SIM card slot, so that you can open up and show or just take the slots out. So here is the options. So you see here small hole for opening up the SIM card slot. So when you open up, so it's going to pop up. So this is what for the SIM card slots. This one is for SIM card 1 and this one is for SIM card 2. And if you want to use SIM card 2 as a memory slot, you can use it. And this will support up to 128 GB of a memory card. So just I'm putting it back, and that's it about. And here you see there is a converter cable for the USB to a micro USB to another option. So it's easy to charge universally. So that's it about opening up the box, and it's very flexible. I think they gave flexible cover to operate this phone. And that's it about opening up or unpacking this ZTE Axon 7 unlocked phone. It's very good in design. I'm going to try and operate. So just it's a turning on. So I press this power button and it's going to turn on. So let's see how it is. So you see a ZTE Android phone. So that's just turning on. It's going to ask for the setup. So as of now, this is all about, and thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe and watch more videos on my video.